Ani, bonjour, Kinawa. Kenzie, Mopidea. This is Kenzie here. And today's fire chat is going to be a very simple prayer. This is a prayer I made many years ago. And I've been using this prayer for a long time. So I made it into like a scroll, right? Like this. And I'm going to try to read this and translate it for you. Let's get a... Bonjour, Kinawea. Greetings, hello everybody. Kenzie, Ndijnakas. Kenzie, Ndijnakas. Yeah. Old man, Nada Jaganash Shinozwin. Nda Jaganash Shinozwin. Mukwa Minwa Adik. Ndodem. Mukwa Minwa Adik. Ndodem. Canada, Kina de Ndunjaba. Kina de Ndunjaba. Ontario, Ontario, Megwa, Ndinda. Ontario, Megwa, Ndinda. Ontario, Ndadis. Ontario, Ndadis. Odawa, Ojibwe, Debindagos. Odawa, Ojibwe, Debindagos. And now I start my talking to the good spirits. Nishin Gikweshkana, Gijimnedo. Gijimnedo is a kind spirit. Nishin Gikweshkana. It's good to meet you. Nagichinendam Wabminan. Nagichinendam Wabminan. Nagichinendam Akana Wabmingok. And Nagichinendam Kina Wabmingok. Miigwech, Mompi, Gabajayin. Miigwech, Mompi, Gabajayin. Miigwech, Mompi, Gabajayik. Miigwech, Mompi, Gabajayik. Bojo, Gijimnedo. Minwa, Akana Minomanadok. Miigwech, Nedikit, Nangom, Gijigak. I'll say it again. Minwa Gudin. Miigwech, Nedikit, Nangom, Gijigak. Miigwech, Minwa, Gije, Miigwech, Minwa, Gijigat, Giwam Dama. Miigwech, Minwa, Gijigat, Giwam Dama. Oh, gotta get that zoom in there. Miigwech Akana Zagadibun. Miigwech Kina Zagadibun. Eyama Nda Gunajuan. Madzawinning. Say that again. Miigwech Kina Zagadwin. Eyama Nda Gunajuan. Madzawinning. Miigwech Kina Manadok. Nadamoyang. Minwa Askab Witwian. I'll say that one again. Miigwech Kina Manadok. Nadamoyang. Minwa Askab Witwian. Opcha Nimigwech Wendam. Opcha Nimigwech Wendam. Miigwech Ga Mijian. Okay? Miigwech gar Jamesian Nungwa. Miigwech gar Jamesian Nungwa. And we'll keep going. Almost done. Hang in there. Jim the Ma Queen, hang in there. Miigwech Ganadamawian. Miigwech Ndodwayan. Giabe Nimino Bimadis. Giabe Nimino Bimadis. Alright, where are we now? We're on this part of the scroll. Miigwech. Okay, this is a mistake I made on my scroll. It's supposed to say Nimishomisananik, not Tig. So you see the Tig at the end? That's supposed to be Mishomisananik. Mishomisuk, some people will say. So we're gonna just verbally correct it. Miigwech Nimishomisananik. Gay Nokumisananik. Gi Madabeya. Wabanon. Jawanon. Ningabawanon. Gay. Giwednon. Okay. Meanwhile, gay. Kina Mino Manadok. And now the Magoyan. Nungo. Kachimigwacha Wenimigo. Get Nukian. I'll try that. Let's try that again. Meanwhile, gay, kina mino manadok, and adamago yang, nangom. Kachimigwacha wenimigo. Getche nukian. Alright. I'm not going to do the English translation for this because you can read it yourself. Okay. Miigwech odashkin. Maba Sama. Miigwech odashkin. Maba Sama. Daga nundo shin. Joe menado. Begede toshin. Nigi majian bemazo winning. Let me say that again. This is one of my favorite parts of the prayer. I don't know why. Daga nundo shin. Joe menado. Begede toshin. Gi majian bemazowinin. Kachimigwacha winmigo. Kachimigwacha migo. Kina emijek. Kachimigwacha migo. Gi gitche nukian. We'll do the last part of this prayer. We got 2 more pages to go. Miigwech kina mino mishkike. Ya ma da mazawinin. Miigwech nindana. Gje minido mijid. Mino bemazawin epitzian. And our last page for this scroll. Odapinama wishin wa asama. Mindapin mabasama. Gabigid numuna. And there you go. This is the prayer I say every single day for many years. I had many teachers who helped me put this prayer together. One of them is Mala Shawana, or Shawana. Another one is big language speaker and helper, warrior, Jacob Wemagoas. Another one is Lorraine McRae, grandmother here in Rama. Another one is, of course, Ngushe, Gitimido Shinkazo. And there are lots of other language teachers that I've picked their brains for little bits, eh? Sometimes when I'm learning the language, I don't know how to say everything, eh? Like on the scroll, eh? I don't know how to say everything. So what I'll do is I'll ask an elder, how do you say the singular form. How would you say the singular form for thank you for coming? I want to talk to one person and thank them for coming. And they would tell me, I'd write it down, and then I'd give it a little break, practice that, and then I would say, I forget the suffix. Whoops. I forget the suffix for thank yous for coming. I want to pluralize it. So they would tell me. But you know, when you go to an elder and ask for language lessons or little bits of language, don't give them the whole thing. Say, I want you to translate this whole thing for me, You know, you don't want to do that to the elders. That's too much work. You know, this prayer, I would say it took me over a year to get this prayer organized, to find out, to connect to the elders, different elders from all over Ontario, even in the States. And I would ask each when I meet them, whether it's in person or individually, when I meet them, I would ask them for little bites of the language. I don't want to overwhelm the elders. Okay? I don't want to put them on a pressure seat, and pressure. So what I did was I would go up to an elder and just say, like, do you know how to translate this for me? Do you know how to translate? Can you translate? Or what does this mean? This elder told me this. Nishingi Kweshkana. You know, and they would tell me what that means for them. I wouldn't judge them on their translation. I would say, miigwech, you know. So that's what it comes down to, Taking little bits of language, recording it for your own personal use, and then organizing it. And before you know it, you're going to have this long prayer, very long prayer, this long way to speak the language. But in reality, it took you over a year to produce this prayer. And when you look at it, it's not very long. This prayer took us less than 5 minutes to say, you know. So it looks like our fire is out. So I guess our chat is done today. I want to thank you for coming out to visit me today. Miigwech Kabijayik. It's a beautiful day. I did my prayers and tobacco offering. So, Chimiigwech, you all have a good day. And remember, speak a little bit of language. Don't expect to speak the whole thing. Little bits to your family, to your children, your grandchildren, to your friends. Just a simple thing like, Nishin, it is good. You're complimenting. Miigwech, thank you. Miigwech. Speak that. And then eventually your brain's going to go, I want more. I want more. So you go looking for more language. Now, Chimiigwech Kinawea. I hope you all have a great, great, great hump day, and the rest of the week is awesome for you all. Miigwech, Pamampi.